Yeah, hello friends, welcome to Kishan's Classes Education. So, in this video class, we are going to discuss about the Asian map. So, in this lecture, we are going to know about what is the physical map of Asia and what is the political map of Asia and what are the major countries in Asia and what are the major water bodies in Asia as well as the major cities which are located in Asia. This is outline of today's video. Let's start with the actual content of this today's lecture. So you are seeing the physical map of Asia. So you can see here, and this is Asia's physical map. Yes, yeah. So the total land of Asia is surrounded by different water bodies from the north, east, and southwest. So here you can see here, this is the north of Asia. The north of Asia is there the Arctic Ocean. Okay, this is Arctic Ocean is there. This is north to Asia, and the immediate country is Russian Federation. So from here to here, the Russia is there, and then the east side of Asia is surrounded by, it is connected with the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. And come to the south side of Asia, it is connected with the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. So here, the west side of Asia, the west side, there is no water body, means we have simple seas, not oceans. We have seas like Black Sea here and Caspian Sea here, and here Mediterranean Sea also we have, and Red Sea we have, and this is Arabian Sea. Okay, these are the water bodies which are surrounded the Asian continent. So dear friends, so here first we now here we have to see the major seas here. So here the Caspian Seas, here is there. It is connected with Europe and Asia, and Black Sea as well, Europe with Asia and Turkey here. And here the major important point over here, Turkey and Russia, is that Turkey and Russia is also part of Europe, and these two countries are part of Europe as well as Asian continent. And here the Mediterranean Sea is there. It is connected with Central Asia, with Europe, and this is a Red Sea. The Red Sea which connects the Europe and the east side, total Asian continent, Asian countries. So the Red Sea is a majorly important waterway for Asian countries and with European countries, and it played a major role to connect with both the continents for strategical, strategical travel, flow of goods and services. So this is very important. Here as well we have the Gulf of Aden, and then you move to the Persian Gulf. The Persian Gulf also is a major strategic water body, for the Central Asia, the Arab countries. And here Arabian Sea also is a very important strategic water body, and so here India has a major, collaboration with the Arabian Sea for strategic importance. And then we have Indian Ocean already, and then here Bay of Bengal is there. It is also very strategic important, and here Pak Strait is there between Sri Lanka and India, and these are the major water bodies here. And here you can go here Aral Sea here. The Aral Sea also very important sea in the Kazakhstan and as well in Uzbekistan. Okay, this is and here the Lake Baikal is there in Russia. It's a very important lake in Russia and even in Asian continent. And this is called as here the Siberian plain or Siberian area, Siberian plateau. Here, this is Siberian plateau, which is there in Russia. And these are the physical features of Asian continent. And here we can go here and we can come here. This is Bering Strait and here is Bering Sea. So here, this spot, we have the international date line which separates east and west side. Okay, west side of the globe. And here we have Sea of Okhotsk, and here and we have Sea of Japan, that is East Sea. And here we have LOC here, and here it is between Korea and China. And here East China Sea is here. It is strategically important for China. And in the down we have, see here, Taiwan country, and here the South China Sea here, and here Philippines Sea here, and here the Celeb Sea, and here Java Sea, it is there in Indonesia. And here this place from here to here, this is called it as Malacca Strait. The Malacca Strait is very important. It plays a major role in transportation of goods and services, and it will connect the Indian Ocean from here to here. It will connect the South China Sea as well as the Pacific Ocean. The Malacca Strait, which is there above the Sumatra, I mean between the Malaysia, Singapore and Sumatra, this is very important. And Malacca Strait, strategical importance. And here it is Indonesia. And so okay, this is about the physical features and water bodies and physical map. And some major deserts also will be there here. We can see here the Gobi Desert here is there. Gobi Desert between Mongolia and China. And here we can see the Thor Desert, you know very well. This is important in Indian west side. And here Arabian Peninsula in Saudi Arabia. And these are the physical features of the Asian continent. And then we can see that here the major countries in Asia are here. We can see that here the Russia and India here, and Japan and South Korea, and next one Singapore here, and Saudi Arabia here, and the Malaysia, Israel, I mean some part of Israel here, and China. These are the major countries which are there in Asian continent. And the blue dots are water bodies over here: Caspian, Black and Red Mediterranean, and here the Persian Gulf, and some of the water bodies are over here. And the major cities in the Asian continent, those are Tokyo, and Tokyo here is, and Shanghai, Beijing in China, and Moscow, which is there in Russia, and Dubai. The Dubai is there in UAE here, Dubai, and Beijing, so Bangkok, then Singapore, Hong Kong. You know very well about Hong Kong over here. This is China, and here where is Hong Kong here? Over there here Hong Kong. This is the place. And next Mumbai, Istanbul, Seoul, and Kuala Lumpur, and Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, and Kolkata. These are the major cities in Asian continent. And come to rivers. Major river in Asian continent, that is Yangtze River. It is about 6,418 kilometers. This is the longest in Asia, and as well this is the third longest in the world. So which was there in China. And the another important rivers and all there in like Yellow River we are already discussed, and some other Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus are major noteworthy rivers in Asian continent. Yes, and we already discussed about lakes, and this is about a brief discussion about Asia. So, so again we have to see what are the lines which connects. I mean, what are the imaginary lines of the world which connects in Asia? We can see in the physical map of uh, here. Here we can see that here is there. Yeah, this is what is this? Tropic of Cancer. Yes, which starts in Asia from Red Sea and passes through Arabian, I mean Saudi Arabian, and then UAE and Oman, and then enter into from Arabian Sea into India, then passes through and here Bangladesh, some other countries, and here from Taiwan to other. So this is a tropical cancer which is there in Asia, and as well the Arctic circle over here. This is Arctic circle which passes through here. This is White Sea. This is in Europe, not in Asia. And here it enters in Ural Mountain here and Siberian plain passes through Russia, and this is Arctic Circle. And again we have in Asia this is 0 degree latitude, that is equator here, which is there, which passes through Sumatra, which is there in Indonesia, and then here see, and here, so this is your equator. And thank you very much for watching this video. If you feel this is very worthy and useful, please like, share and comment, and give suggestions to improve myself. Thank you so much.